Hello you guys, is your Navigator Pro, the Hayward Navigator Pro, not moving or anything? As you see, filter's on. Well, why isn't it moving? Usually there's something stuck in the turbine, or there's usually the flap has came off of the actual device and it doesn't move. So as you see, it's pretty dirty, simply because I came out one day and it just doesn't move, which seems to be today. And I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Go by your filter. Turn it off. Turn the panel off. Make sure that doesn't turn back on. Then you just grab your Hayward Navigator out of the actual pool, which I'm going to do right now. Hold on, guys. As you see, I just got it out of the pool. I'm gonna place the camera right here. Hey, watch out. Alright. So here's the Navigator Pro. Now as you see, it is pretty it's a pretty good actual it's a pretty good vacuum. But the problem is with these vacuums, they always something gets clogged up because the turbine is so small. And as you see, there's a bunch of dog hair and stuff like that stuck in here too. But why isn't it moving? It's supposed to be moving. Put your finger in there and just manually spin the turbine. You could usually find out if there's anything wrong like that. You can actually take this piece off, but I know for sure there's nothing stuck in there because I just cleaned it out yesterday. So, and there's no pine cones or rocks that's to get stuck in here, so I'm pretty sure, you know, nothing will be stuck. And you can actually find out. See, there you go. If you actually look in the turbine, it's spinning inside, which means there's nothing stuck in the actual propeller or anything like that. So as you see, I'm just trying to look at the flaps, see if anything's loose, anything's out of date, anything needs to be replaced. This is good. Yeah, this is all good. Then you just check. Wait a second. Guys, I think I found a problem. Trying to put this back on. This thing actually was loose, and that's why it doesn't move properly. It just gets stuck in the way. So I'm going to put that back on by bending this part, slipping that back on. There you go, it's on. That's how simple it is. And basically, there you go. It should be good to go. And check everywhere. Alright, there you go. Alright, so that's good to go. Then you want to go back to your pipe. Put that in the water. Put the actual pipe back in. There you go. You want to throw it underwater, and there you go, you're good. And now it should restart. Alright guys, so I'm back to the filter side. Now what you want to do, open up your panel. Turn on your breaker. Turn on your filter. Go back to your pool. There you go. Working just like new. No problem, no difficulty, no nothing. See a couple of air bubbles popping out, but that's actually normal. Last thing you're gonna do, guys, is take out your air. Watch out, Roxy. There you go. It's all good. Everything normal, everything good. Aha, got you. Thank you guys for watching.